Imagine a future where your dinner plate looks radically different, where food is grown in towering skyscrapers and tailored for peak nutrition. What if the very definition of farm completely changes in the next decade? Get ready to explore the revolutionary technologies transforming our food system right now, from biotech breakthroughs to the rise of vertical farms. Are you worried about feeding a growing planet or the environmental impact of traditional agriculture? What if there were solutions already emerging that could solve these challenges and more? This video unveils the cutting-edge innovations in biotech and vertical farming that are not only sustainable, but could also make your food healthier, more accessible, and truly futuristic. Right now, vertical farms are producing crops using 95% less water than traditional farming, while biotech companies are engineering plants with enhanced nutrients and longer shelf lives. These aren't distant dreams. They're happening today in cities worldwide. Picture lettuce growing in LED-lit towers, strawberries ripening year-round regardless of climate, and proteins cultivated from cells instead of livestock. These technologies could eliminate pesticides, reduce transportation emissions, and deliver fresh produce to food deserts. The implications are staggering. We're looking at a food revolution that could feed 10 billion people while healing our planet. The question isn't whether this future will arrive, it's how quickly we'll embrace it. What does this mean for your next meal?